To start reselling on Depop, begin by downloading the Depop app and creating an account. Choose a unique and memorable username that reflects your brand and is easy for customers to find. Fill out your profile completely, including a profile picture, bio, and contact information, to establish trust with potential buyers. Next, take high-quality photos of the items you want to resell, using good lighting and clear backgrounds to showcase the products. Write detailed and accurate descriptions of each item, including the brand, size, condition, and any flaws. Set competitive prices based on similar items sold on Depop and other platforms. Organize your shop by categorizing items into collections, such as clothing, accessories, or electronics, to make it easy for customers to find what they are looking for. Utilize relevant keywords and hashtags in your item titles and descriptions to increase visibility in search results. Develop a strategy for sourcing products to resell, such as thrift stores, garage sales, or online marketplaces. Research popular trends and items in demand on Depop to ensure you are buying items that will sell quickly. Keep track of your expenses, including the cost of items, shipping, and fees, to ensure you are making a profit. Provide excellent customer service by responding promptly to messages and resolving any issues quickly. Package items carefully and ship them quickly to ensure customer satisfaction. Monitor your shop's performance using Depop's analytics tool, which provides insights into your sales, views, and audience. Finally, stay up to date with Depop's policies and guidelines to avoid any issues with your account. Continuously improve your shop by adding new items, improving your photos and descriptions, and engaging with your customers to build a loyal following and increase sales. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully start reselling on Depop and build a profitable business.